Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a day 30 and the problem is k closest points to origin. So we have a list of points on the plane. Find the k closest points to the origin 0, 0. So we have to return all the points which has the distance closest to the origin, and in the example 1 we have 1, 3 and minus 2, 3, and we have to return the 1 points. So let's draw in the Cartesian plane here. So the distance, Euclidean distance formula is distance square is like between 2 points P and Q with coordinate like P1 Q1 and P2 Q2 is Q1 minus P1, basically x coordinates of 2 points subtract square plus y coordinate of 2 points here. And our example 1 has 2 coordinate 1, 3. So 1, 3 in Cartesian plane is here. So this point let me call as A, and the second point is minus 2, 2. So minus 2, 2 is here. This point is called, let's say, B, and this is origin. So origin, let's call it O. So the distance between point A, distance square of point A is 1 square plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3, so which is 10. Similarly, the distance of point B from origin OB square, distance square, is minus 2 square, so minus 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 2, so which is total 8. So the point V is closest to origin and we have to return the 1 point, so answer is point V. So point V is minus 2, output is 0.2. So how we will solve this problem? We will calculate the distance of all the points from the origin and sort them based on the distance one way, and then get the k point, closest point. Another way, we will keep the priority queue, so min priority queue. So min heap will keep the distance in a ascending order like smallest one, and then we will extract the k pairs. So let's start the implementation, and let's also see the example 2. So in example 2 we have 3 points, like, so distance of this first point is 18 distance square, and distance square of second point is 26, distance square of third point is 20. So 18 is closest and second closest is 20, while this not. So these 2 points are in answer, and the constraint here is like points dot length is 10,000. So if we do square of 10 coordinates are 10,000 square is 10 to the power 8, and if it is like 1 is negative and 1 is positive, so it's 2 into 10 to the power 4, and we do squares of 4 power 8, which is less than integer max. So this can fit in integer. So let's define our priority queue. So we will use the priority queue in Java. Priority queue which will consist integer array, which I will add distance square and the coordinate xy of that point coordinate. So this, let's call it as just simply heap, and which is new queue int array type, and we have to put the lambda comparators. I am doing with the lambda operators in Java 8. So we will get 2 point pairs. So for A comma B, we just have to compare only the distance. So A of 0, distance we see A of 0, just A of 0 minus B of 0. So this is our priority queue of min heap. Then we will iterate through all the points. Int I is equal to 0, I less than points dot length, I plus plus, and we will calculate the distance first and add that in heap. So the distance is heap dot add new int array type with values. So first is distance square of the point, so the points of I comma 0 star points of I comma 0 plus points of I comma 1 by coordinate of that into points of I 1 comma points of I comma 0 comma points of by coordinate of that point, ith point is 1. So we will save this in the priority queue, and this priority queue is here. After that we need to return a result as an integer pair, so this will be result equal to new int of number of points k and direction is 2 xy coordinate. So this is, then we will start from the queue first while I less than k, so we need to get the k points from the heap, then fetch the poll the point one by one. So int array item equals to heap dot poll. After that we will add in the array result of I comma 0 is equals to item comma 1, because in the first coordinate here we place the x coordinate of that point. Similarly the by coordinate at the index 1 and here it index 2. So this is, after that we have to return the result. So that's it. Let's try to compile our code. Oh sorry, I missed one, we have to increment this counter as well, I plus plus. Let's compile our code. Code has, oh I missed, this should be int not int. So here, so now it will compile, it's judging and it's correct answer. Let's test for the second example. So we have points and k2, so custom test here. So these are the points array and we have total find 2 points. Let's run it. So what is expected we are getting. Let's submit our solution. So this is accepted. So this is one solution based on the priority queue. So the time complexity of this solution is, time complexity is of n log n, because creating the priority queue and inserting n points it takes n log n. After that we are just running the while loop for k times, so it's just n log n, and space complexity of this solution is O of n, because we are adding all the points pair in the heap.